Hey folks, just about 3 hours ago, temperatures were in the mid to upper 90s across the valley, and this is where we are now. Front really making a difference. Temperatures have dropped about 30 degrees from what we were middle of the afternoon. Right now, 61 in Edinburgh, 63 Westlake, Raymondville, Harlingen, 68 Port Isabel. Even Brownsville's now dropped into the 60s. Winds still coming out of the north, 25, 35 miles per hour. These are the gusts. The momentary burst of wind, 35 in McAllen, 29 in Brownsville. So still a very windy evening across the valley. Overnight, we should all drop into the 50s except the beach, about 65 there. Windy early, then just breezy and chilly. And then tomorrow, only 60s for highs, except the lower valley, Brownsville and South Padre, and they're just a little warmer, not much. North winds tomorrow about 10 to 20 miles an hour. The windy conditions are tonight, more of a north breeze during the daytime tomorrow. But after that, we warm back up. The normal high is 88. Tomorrow, 20 degrees below average, but back to 83 on Sunday, then back above average on Monday, where we'll be most of next week. This is what it looked like on radar when that front came through. Boy, big time thunderstorms firing up in the lower valley. We'll put the Doppler estimated rainfall totals on in the next half hour. But watch how that stuff, there's the front moving southward, triggering all that rain, and now it's all moving to the south, and all that's left is some leftover light stuff, and even that is mostly gone this last hour. You just don't see much left now, things quieting down. Still could be some of that misty light rain and drizzle across the area later tonight and during the early part of the day tomorrow, but not much. I think the big stuff was with the front. About 50% of the valley got rained on. The other 50% has got a lot of wind, a lot of dusts with that front. Look how the stuff fired up in the eastern part of the valley. There was a sea breeze coming in. The front ran into the sea breeze, and that's where the big storms really got going. In the western part of the valley, the sea breeze never got there. So tonight, that stuff pushes out. Clouds linger, maybe some light drizzle into tomorrow morning. Clouds stay around much of the day tomorrow. Skies could brighten a little late in the day, so maybe a little bit of sunshine second part of the day tomorrow, but I wouldn't count on a lot. It's a mainly cloudy and cool day with temperatures staying in the 60s. Still some clouds around into Sunday, but I think we get to see a little bit of sunshine. With that, the southeast wind kicks back in. Once the southeast wind comes back, temperatures warm back up. So we're back in the 80s on Sunday, and likely the 90s on Monday, and we try to see a shower or two show up again on Monday. Here's the rest of South Texas right now. It's only 54 in San Antonio. Front was through there early today, so it's been cool all day there. Victoria 54 as well. Corpus down to 60. Laredo at 58. Look at the rest of Texas. You can see that this is about it. The cold air kind of bottoming out tonight and tomorrow. Not much colder up north than it is right here. So this is a strong push of cool air, but it's a short-lived push of cool air. Front, watch it moving southward. Here it comes, moving into the valley, and then it kind of passes down to the south and fades away. So chilly conditions build in, but again, it's a short-lived front. By the time we get to Sunday, front moves back to the north. There's a warm front. By Monday, we're back in the 90s. Long-range models do bring another front into the state by the middle part of next week. I think what it'll do for us is increase our rain chances for the middle of the week again, just a little bit. Still warm in Florida, 85 Tampa, Jacksonville 73, but let's find the cool stuff. You can tell the front right down in through here. Look at the difference between Bloomington, Indiana, Columbus, Ohio, 46 to 69 degrees. There are the cold temperatures on the map, although Denver's recovered back to 49 after being down in single digits earlier today. So for tonight, windy and chilly, some light rain, not a lot, but some, a low of 57 degrees. Then tomorrow, back up to 68. Plenty of clouds, but a much cooler day, about 30 degrees chillier than what we were this afternoon. Your First One 5 AccuWeather forecast and for the next 7 days looks like this. Only 68 tomorrow, but back to 83 on Sunday. 90s most of next week. A weak front the middle of the week. You can see it doesn't do a whole lot except bring a chance of rain back into the forecast. That is your updated First One 5 forecast. Now it's time to go find Joelle, who's out shivering in the chilly air. Joelle,